Hello, welcome to this PowerPoint presentation. I'll be shortly explaining how to solve exponential equations and inequalities. First of all, we need to know the property of equality for exponential functions, which is if b is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1, then bx equal by, if and only if x equal y. An example is if 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 5, then x is equal to 5. And that's because since the bases are equal, the exponents must be equal in order for the equation to be true. I will show you how to solve an exponential equation and then give you a problem to solve yourself. First of all, the bases are not the same. So what we do is we transform or turn the 8 cube into 2 cubed to the power of 3. And then due to the exponent rule, we multiply the cube by 3, which will give us 2 to the power of x equal 2 to the power of 9, which can be rewritten as x equal 9. Now I'll be showing you how to solve this exponential equation. And after that, I'll give you a question, and so you can try for yourself. So first, the bases are not the same. And but we want them to be the same. So we make the 9 into 3, which would be 3 squared to the power of 2x minus 1 equal 3 to the power of 6x. And due to the exponent rule, which is when an exponent is raised to another exponent, we multiply them using distributive property. And because of that, we get 3 to the power of 4x minus 2 equal 3 to the power of 6x. And then, since the bases are the same, we must find x, because the exponents must be the same. So we solve for x. We subtract both sides by 4x, which would give us negative 2 equal to x. So then we divide both sides by 2, which would give us negative 1 equal x. Now that I showed you how to solve an exponential equation, I'll show you how to solve an exponential equality. So the first step is to make bases the same. So since we have 27 and 81, we will make both bases 3's, which will give us 3 cubed to the power of 2x plus 6 equal than or greater to 3 to the power of 4 to the power of x minus 5. And due to the exponent rule, we multiply them using the distributive property, which will give us 3 to the power of 6x plus 18 greater than or equal to 3 to the power of 4x minus 20. And then, since the bases are the same, we solve for x. So since now we have 6x plus 18 greater than or equal to 4x minus 20, we subtract both sides by 4x, which would give us 2x plus 18 greater than or equal to negative 20. Then we subtract both sides by 18, which would give us 2x greater than or equal to negative 38. And we want the x to be alone, so we divide both sides by 2. So the answer is x is greater than or equal to negative 19. For the next question I will be showing you, we need to know what compound interest is. Compound interest is paid on the principal of an investment and any previously earned interest. The formula for compound interest is A equal P, parentheses, 1 plus R over N to the power of N times T, where A is the amount in the account and T is the years. P is the principal of amount invested, and R is the annual interest rate, and N is the number of compounding periods each year. Now that we know what the compound interest formula is, we will use it to solve this question. An investment account pays 4.2% annual interest compounded monthly. If $2,500 is invested in this account, what will be the balance after 15 years? So first, we write the formula, and then we write what we have. P which is going to be the amount of money invested, which is $2,500. R, the annual interest rate, which is going to be 4.2% or 0.042. And N, which is the amount of time this is going to be compounded, which is 12 because this is compounded monthly. And then T, which is time in years, which is going to be 15. So we are going to plug those in, and we get A equal 2,500 parentheses 1 plus 0.042 divided by 12 to the power of 12 times 15. And to keep this video short, I won't be showing you the process and just going straight over to the answer, which will be A equal 4,688.866166. Then we round it up, which would be A equal $4,688.87. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you get a good grade in your math test.